Studying other people's mistakes can help you reach your goals faster and save you a lot of time, stress, and effort focused in the wrong direction. In this video, I will share the top 3 mistakes I made while learning to code, which many people still make and that you should avoid. First of all, welcome to Code the Future. This is Alan, and I highly recommend that you watch until the end to avoid all of the mistakes I discuss in the video. Mistakes you might actually be making right now. The biggest mistake most of us make when starting to learn to code is not having a clear end goal or a specific guide to follow. Many of us begin without knowing exactly what we want to build or what kind of developer we aspire to be. For instance, you might start learning Python or C# without a clear plan for what comes next. Are you interested in front-end development, back-end development, mobile apps, or perhaps game development? It's crucial to decide on this before you begin. Knowing your end goal helps you avoid skipping important steps and prevents you from becoming overwhelmed with irrelevant information. By having a clear direction, you can stay focused and make more progress. In case you're interested, I've made a few videos about which programming language to learn first and the roadmap you need to follow to become a coder. You can click the cards on the screen, and I'll also link the videos in the description below. The second biggest mistake new coders make is not building enough projects. This isn't just about practicing what you've learned, though you probably hear that all the time. It's about feeling a sense of accomplishment early on, after each topic you learn. This sense of reward will motivate you to keep learning and progressing. After studying for an hour or two, try building something with what you've learned. Even at the early stages, creating a simple calculator, for example, can give you a sense of pride. This reinforces the feeling that what you've learned makes sense and that you're moving in the right direction. On the other hand, if you just watch tutorials for hours without actually opening your code editor or building something, it becomes challenging to stay motivated. You might find it hard to continue watching more videos and start doubting whether you're truly learning anything. Today, tools like ChatGPT can provide project ideas for any topic you're studying. Try to solve the project yourself first and then check the solution to compare your work. The third mistake I want to highlight is the common misconception about coding. People often think coding is only for those with super high IQs, as represented in movies, or they are intimidated by seeing large files of seemingly cryptic code. This misconception can make people doubt their ability to become coders, leading them to believe they aren't smart enough. Even if you're more advanced than a beginner and encounter a project you don't understand, it's not because you lack intelligence. More likely, you may have missed specific steps in your learning journey. So, what is the main quality a coder should have? It's problem solving. Coding isn't about memorizing large blocks of code or concepts, it's about breaking down problems into smaller parts and solving them, often requiring a lot of research each time. While you need to learn the fundamental concepts, understand the structure of an application, and write clean, efficient code which you improve on over time, the core work of a programmer is solving problems. Now that you know how to avoid these 3 common mistakes, I highly recommend using ChatGPT to enhance your learning and boost your productivity as a coder. To learn more about how to effectively use ChatGPT as a developer, check out my ChatGPT tutorial by clicking or tapping the video that's on the screen right now. Thank you so much for joining me today. I truly appreciate your time. If you found this video valuable, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I will see you next time then. Take care.